Do you struggle to create consistent, smooth, hand-spun yarn? Do you understand how to use whirls, twist per inch, angle of twist? Would you like to know how to scour wool, dye, and prep it for hand spinning? The answer to all those questions is the Spinning and Fiber Extravaganza year-long workshop. The year-long journey into the world of spinning, fiber prep, dyeing, felting, and more. Join a group of fiber lovers on private Facebook page.
Hello, I'm Dolores, and I'm a student of the Spinning and Fiber Extravaganza. It's an online course taught by Mary Egbert. Mary is the developer of the SZ Twist tool. She's also the author of the 5-star book, The Art of Scouring Wool, Alpaca, and Mohair. This is a year-long online course, so you can do it at your leisure, wherever you are. It's easy to fit into any schedule. It's fun, inspiring, and I'm learning a lot. I've been spinning for several years, but never could really get a smooth, consistent yarn. I've watched many different videos, I've read many books, and there's not one that has been able to teach me how to get smooth, consistent yarn, until I took this course by Mary. This course is very affordable at only $21 a month, paid in monthly payments, or if you wish, you can pay the full year in advance. If you're interested in learning how to spin or improving your spinning, then click the link below. I've enjoyed this class so much that I've become an affiliate of the Camaj School of Fiber Arts. In addition to learning how to spin, this course is also offering scouring wool class, how to spin worsted, how to spin woolen. Mary's going to talk about the different kinds of wool, the grades, and how they affect your spun yarn. And then she's going to teach dyeing as well as color theory. She'll also be teaching us about advanced types of yarns, like cables and coils and various art yarns. We'll be learning how to take a prepared bat and split it different ways in order to get different types of yarn. And probably the most important thing is how to use our own stash. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to join us in this fun and relaxing hobby.